So I was 16 when I got this car, and roughly saved up paper route money, and it was a piece of junk then. It's a piece of junk now, but when it's running, it's a lot of fun to drive. The problem is I gotta get it running consistently so it turns on, and I've gotta get it running so that it doesn't explode while driving. That's the dilemma. This door doesn't work. All right, let's try the passenger side. There we go. But eventually we'll get there. All right, let's see. Stick it in and don't think it will start. No. Yeah, totally dead. Kind of expected that. Battery's been sitting for a number of years. I really need to drive this more. But yeah. Dead ignition, but you know, it might sound like that, probably a lot better. Brakes go all the way to the floor, so that's not good. I do have some brake fluid, but probably should get the brakes fixed first.